X value of X is 10. Suppose. Then X stores the value 10. Then pointer value, a pointer to hold the X is the PTR. PTR is a pointer variable to point the variable X. What is the address of X? Address of X, suppose 400104. This is the address. Then pointer stores the address of the value X, that is 4104. And what is the address of the pointer variable? That is 4106. Then what the Y stores? Y stores the star PTR. PTR value is 4104. But star PTR is the value at that 4104. Value at 4104 is 10. Value at 0. This address may be 08, some other like this. Got it, students? Yes? You execute this program. Execute this program. I will go to the next concept. Right? Next, pointer to pointer or chain pointers. Can you execute this program, students? Students, can you execute this program? Pointers basic program. We'll execute this one also, this program also. PTR, take the PTR. See this? I'll remove this. Right? See this. Int I am declaring variables X comma Y. Again int the pointer variable. Pointer variable, how to declare, students, how to declare the pointer variable? Star PTR. Star unte before that variable, that is called pointer variable. Right? Again store the address of X in the pointer variable. Okay? Y equals to star PTR, the content at that address. Right? Now see this. First printf statement. Printf value of X equals to the value of X. Can you see that? That is X. Yes. What is the output? Can you tell me? Any one of you? What is the output? Printf %d is stored at address %u. Two weapons. That is X comma %x. Printf %d is stored at address %u. Right? star x comma ampersand x. Star ఉంటే దాని వాల్యూ కంటెంట్ that displays the content. Next printf percentile d is stored at address percentile u, right? Star ptr, and ptr is the address of the variable x. Star unte percentile, that's a content. Percentile u means that displays the address of that. Printf stored at address percentile u, then that is ptr ampersand of ptr, right? We change the value star ptr equals to, I'm taking 25. Now printf now x equals to percentile d backslash n, x value. See this, what will you get the output? xy into y xy, we missed any mistake? Star ptr value of x, ptr star ptr integer type, one two three four five six 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, we missed. I've done mistakes, huh? Void main y into star ptr equal to ampersand x, the printf value of 60%, printf is stored at address percentile u x comma printf percentile d is stored at address percentile u star ampersand of x.
Sir, లాస్ట్ దాంట్లో కామాస్ పెట్టలేరు కదా సార్, అది ప్రింట్ఎఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ లోపల.
Right, that's why I missed it. That's okay. Right now, okay. We missed one more printf statement. ptr ampersand ptr, both are ptrs, huh? Star ptr then y and ampersand y. Printf, one more printf percentile d is stored at address percentile u y comma ampersand y. సార్ నమస్తే సార్. సార్ నమస్తే సార్. బాగున్నా సార్. మళ్ళీ చేస్తా, క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా నేను. మళ్ళీ చేస్తా. ఓకే. Yes, students, see the output. Value of x equals to stored address only, but not because why? We haven't assigned the value of x. X equal to 10. If I give the x equal to 10, now see the output. Yeah, see this. Value of x is 10. Right? Every time 10 is stored, but only fifth statement you got address only. Why? Value of x 10 is stored at the address. Again, the same address. See this. Again, first printf statement value of x is 10. Printf second printf statement percentage x is 10. 10 is stored at ampersand x, some address value. Again, this star ampersand x. What is the meaning of that? Same. That is also 10 only. Star ampersand x also same 10. Star PTR is also same 10. Why this one we got pointer? This value is negative. Address location. That's why PTR. Otherwise, you take the percent value. See once again. This value of x is 10 is stored at the address location. All are same. These three addresses are same. Right? Again, this is address, pointer address. Some other address. 10 is stored at address. This one. X, y, this y value. This one. X is stored at 25. Now x equal 25. Getting students, address value. But PTR is again taken this is value. If you take the star PTR, if you take this instead of you take the star PTR, you will get the value only 10. Yes, the all are 10 is stored, 10 is stored. Some address values. First three are same, remaining are different. 72. Got it, students? Right. Now pointer to pointer are chain pointers. How to use them? More pointers. Pointer of pointer. Right? Right? The coding is pointer to pointer. Students, be careful. Pointer to pointer. Manamu pointer to the data variable. We are assigning the pointer variable to catch or to point the ordinary variable, primary variable. But pointer to pointer. We are taking the pointer to find that pointer variable only. Or it is called chain of pointers. Chain of pointers. Right? How to declare? The general syntax for the pointer to pointer is syntax. How to declare? How to declare pointer variable, students? How to declare the pointer variable? Int x is the variable declaration. Int x comma star p or star ptr. Pointer variable, whenever you declare, write the star before that pointer variable. Star ptr, we can identify how this is the pointer variable. If you write star, same like data type star pointer variable. Pointer data type pointer variable. This is the syntax of pointer variable, right? This is a pointer. How to declare? Example. Int star p. P is the pointer variable. Now tell me, this is the star p is the pointer variable to point some variable. Star p is the pointer variable to point the one more pointer variable. We can also define int star p. This is a pointer variable to store the pointer variable which is stores the pointer. That's it. Right? Here p is a pointer to pointer. The p is the pointer to p is pointer to pointer. Pointer to pointer, which can store this one. I'm telling you about this one. P is a pointer to pointer which can store address of a pointer, address of a pointer which holds the address of variable, any variable. Address of holds the address of primary variable or float variable or any, right? Data variable. This is P is a pointer to pointer which can store address of a pointer which holds this pointer holds the address of data variable or float variable, whatever. Right? I will explain in one example program. You will get clear. Right? See this example program. How to declare and how to access the pointer to pointer. Right? Pointer to pointer. Hash include. Students, be careful. Try to understand. Include stdio.h, void main, right? Declaring int a equals to 10 and star ptr is a pointer variable. P is the pointer to pointer. So PTR is the pointer variable which points to the variable A. P is the pointer variable to point the pointer variable PTR, which stores the value of A. Getting or not, students? PTR is the pointer variable which stores the address of the A variable, which points the variable A. P is the pointer variable which points to the pointer variable, one more pointer variable which holds the variable A, address of variable A. Right? See this. Now see, declaration is over. Now PTR stores the address of A, ampersand of A. Right? P equals to, now tell me P is
ampersand PTR.
Very good, ampersand. Now you got it. Now this is P equal. We are storing. Now one by one, how to see this figure first. See this figure. The A variable, ordinary variable. This A is the integer variable which stores the value 10. Right? Suppose the address of this is 1535. Address location of the 1535. I am taking one pointer variable that is PTR, which points the address variable, data variable A. Now, what is the value in this inside PTR? What is the value in PTR? Address of A. PTR equal address of A. What is the address of A?
1535.
It has some address 1537 like this. Whatever you take. Now, one more pointer variable to point the pointer variable PTR. I'm taking the P is the pointer variable. P is the pointer variable which points the pointer variable PTR. That's why star P. Now, what is the value inside the P?
1537.
Very good, 1537. Now 15, right? 1539. The integers we are taking. That's why 2 bytes we are taking. That's it. Gap. Right? Now we got it. Value at PTR is 1535, which is the address of the variable A. The value at the P is which stores the address of pointer variable PTR. That's 1537. The address of PTR stores the address of value of A. Address of this one. Address of A. Address of PTR stored in P, pointer variable P. See this. మీరు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటుంది క్లియర్ గా. Right? Now see. Now tell me one printf statements. Tell me the output. Printf %u P. Tell me Babu, what is the output? Output of the statement?
1537.
Very good, excellent. How?
Sir, P is star PTR కదా sir.
P అనే దాంట్లో వాల్యూ ఉంది. ఇట్లా సింపుల్ వేరియబుల్ ఇస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? దాని వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ P is the address of PTR. Address of PTR is 1537. Otherwise, value of this. Or PTR. P is the address of pointer variable PTR. So address of PTR is 1537. Output. Now I will get one more printf statement. Printf %u percentile U, star P. Can anyone tell you the output? Star P.
1535.
Huh? Very good, very good. What is how? Value at star P means P is the address 1537. 1537 లో అడ్రస్ లో ఉన్న వాల్యూనే ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది స్టార్ అంటే. 1537 అడ్రస్ లో ఉన్న వాల్యూ ఏంటిది? దిస్ వన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ అడ్రస్. 1537 is the address. P is the address of PTR. But I am writing star means value at that address. Value at that star PTR. Ampersand PTR. Value at that ampersand PTR is 15. అర్థమైందా కాలేదు? ఎవరికన్నా అర్థం కాకపోతే ఇమీడియట్ గా అడగండి, నేను చెప్తా. స్టూడెంట్స్, ఎనీ డౌట్ ఇన్ దిస్ output of this printf statement P? This is 1537. Also output of this printf percentile U star P means star P. P is the address of PTR. P is the address of PTR. Means if star P is the value at that address, value at that address 1537 is 1535. Now one more printf statement. Percentile U, percentile U. Yeah, now tell me the answer, any one of you. Star P value is 1535. What is the value at that 1535?
1537, sir.
కాదు బాబు, స్టార్ P value, you know that. What is the value
10,
of star P? 1535 కదా. Again one more star, value at that 1535 address. Yeah, that's it. అర్థమైందా లేదా? మీరు ఆ స్టార్లు స్టార్ 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 3 ఉన్నా కానీ భయపడవద్దు మీరు. నథింగ్ ఈజ్ దట్. యు నో ద స్టార్ P value. P value is address of pointer. Address of pointer. P value is nothing but address of pointer. What is address of pointer? It's 1537. Right? The display. Star P means value at that 1537 is 1535. Now again one more star, value at that 1535 address location. What is value at that address location 1535? This is 10. That's it. Printf percentile U star PTR. Can anyone? What is PTR? PTR is address of A. What is the address of A? PTR is nothing but address of A. But star PTR and address of A is what?
10 was sir answer then.
Address of A is 1535. But star PTR means value at that 1535 is 10. Got it, students? Star PTR. PTR is nothing but address of A. Star PTR means what is address of A? 1535. Star PTR means value at that 1535 is 10. One more printf statement. Printf percentile U star ampersand of PTR. Now tell me, students, what is the output? Ampersand of PTR, what is that? Address of PTR.
Ampersand 1537, sir.
1537 star అంటే 1537 వాల్యూ ఏంటి?
1535.
1535. Very good. 1537. Ampersand of PTR is address of PTR is 1537. Star is there. That's why value at that 1537. That's 1535. One more printf statement by right. Percentile U. I'm writing it. Percentile U. Then star ampersand P. Complete. Now tell me what is the output, students? What is the ampersand of P? Address of P?
1539.
Yeah. Star means?
1537.
Very good. 1537. Value at that address. Ampersand of P is, this is address. Address of P is 1537. Star means value at that address 1537. That's it. That is the output. Very simple once you understood. Printf percentile u star ampersand p. 2 stars వరకు తీసుకోవాల్తాం, 3 తీసుకోవడం కష్టం అవుతుంది, తీసుకోలేము మనం, ఎందుకంటే ఓన్లీ డిక్లరేషన్ ఓన్లీ పాయింటర్ ఆఫ్ పాయింటర్ అంతే, పాయింటర్ టు పాయింటర్. నౌ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఇస్ ద అవుట్పుట్. ampersand p is this one 1539. address at that is 1537. one more 1537 లో ఉన్న వాల్యూ ఏంటి? tell me answer. star ampersand p, any one of you tell me the answer direct. Ampersand of p, the address of p is
1535 sir.
1535 sir answer.
Very good. Answer is 1535. Try to understand students. Output is 1535. And explain this. One more printf. Then extension just. Printf percentile u star 3 starలు ampersand p. Now tell me the output.
10.
That's it. Output is 10 because this ampersand p is ampersand p is 1539. And then address of p star ampersand p, I'm writing all. Star ampersand p is 1537. Star ampersand p అంటే ఈ దీంట్లో ఉన్న వాల్యూ 1537 లో ఉన్న వాల్యూ ఏంటి? 1535. అగైన్ స్టార్ 3 stars and ampersand p. ది 1535 లో ఉన్న అడ్రస్ ఏంటి? 10. That's it. ఇవన్నీ కంటిన్యూషన్, ఇవన్నీ స్టూడెంట్స్ అండర్స్టూడ్. అక్కడ 1537 ఉండకపోవచ్చు అడ్రస్, దట్స్ అడ్రస్ లొకేషన్ మే బి డిఫరెంట్, దట్ ఈస్ మే బి డిఫరెంట్, రైట్? కెన్ ఐ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ దిస్ వన్? రైట్, ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ చేస్తారా మీరు? If you want, I will execute this program. Pointer of pointer to pointer. I will execute this program. You'll get clear idea, right? So by research, I am removing this. Otherwise, I will create one more. Pointer to pointer. Pointer to pointer program. See this? Right? Hash include int, declaring the integer variable a equals to 10. This is the ordinary variable. And the pointer variable star ptr is the pointer variable to point the a. Again star p is the pointer variable to point pointer variable ptr. Now ptr equals to address of, ptr is address of a, p equals to address of pointer. అర్థమవుతుందా? p stores the address of a, ptr is the pointer variable, ptr is the pointer variable, ptr is the pointer variable which stores the address of a. P is the pointer variable which stores the address of the pointer variable ptr. That's why these two are star p. Right? Right. See this. Now printf. One by one. Printf percentile u space. Right? What is the address of a? That's a p. See this. Simply see printf percentile u p. What is the address? It displays the one some address location. Whatever some address it displays the address location of the 336. See. Again printf percentile u star p means value at that address location. That is address of the pointer variable, address of ptr. Star P means, oh, sorry, I missed the comma. Which is another address. See this difference. This is 96, this is 92. Star P is value. That's why this is address before that address. Right? P, star P is the value before the address of P. Again, one more. Printf. Percentile U. Percentile U. Star P. Star P means what is that? Value at this, that is 10. Star P. We executed this. We have I explained this 1535, 1537. Printf. Percentile U. Giving some space. Star PTR. Star PTR. What is star PTR? 10. Value at that address. See this. Yes, again 10. Star P and star PTN both are same. Printf. Percentile U. Percentile U. Star ampersand of PTR. This address of PTR is what is that? Some is address. The value at that is same. One for this same address. Whatever star P and star of ampersand PTR both are same. Try to check once what it is displaying. The example program verify it's better. Percentile U. Star ampersand of P. Now it displays the again same like first address. Same like first address. First and this one both are same. What is the first address? P R star ampersand both are same. I did not give the space. Okay, if I give that space, it will clear. Right? See, first one, sorry, 80, 84. Before this, 80 is the second address, 1535. After 10, 1535. Again, I got the space with no space. Okay. Yes. The second one and last one, both are all are same. Star ampersand PTR. Star ampersand. Star PTR. Star ampersand PTR. Star ampersand P. Last one is star P. Control C. Write one more star. Like this, we'll get the again value 10. Right? Verify this address is every time it is changing. Second, I missed one printf statement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. First one is P. Second one is star P. Third one is star P. Fourth one is star ampersand PTR. Okay. I missed this one. Star ampersand PTR. Fourth one. Star PTR. Third one. Star PTR. P star P. Star P. Star PTR. One minute. Star P. Star PTR. Star ampersand PTR. Star PTR. Printf. Ampersand U. Star ampersand PTR we missed. Star ampersand PTR. Right? You see this one. See this. See the verify the values. First one, address of P means that's last address. This is last address. First printf statement stores the this is 1539. Right? 15. P is the value at 1537. If you write ampersand P, it stores the 1539. If I give 1 second. One, two, three. Last one, triple star, ampersand P. Star ampersand P. Star ampersand P. This is printf. Star ampersand P. Verify this program, you'll get idea. All. First one is one address. Second one, how many addresses? Declare one. P is the P address. Value at that P. That is 404. Again 1010. Star P or star PTR, both are same. Again star P value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many printf statement? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have the 8, but we are getting only 4. Let's find a P. This one. Star P. All three are same. 10, 10, 4, 1, 5, 3, 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, second, 3, 4. We missed that one statement. Right? Yeah, execute all this. I will share the notes today. Try to execute, try to understand whatever I explained in this. What is this? Value at A is 10. Address of A is 153, which holds PTR. Address of A is stored in PTR. Address of PTR is stored in P. Address of PTR is 1537. Address of P is 1539. This is address. Inside that is value. You execute this one. Students, okay. Next, can I stop or continue? Pointer expressions. Pointer variables can be used in expressions like other variables. We'll discuss pointer operations, just like ordinary variables, x plus plus, I plus plus, minus minus I, pre-increment, post-increment, and assignment statements, right? Pointer assignments. We'll discuss all this. Pointer to pointer, we explain whatever. Pointer assignment values, pointer increment and decrement, how to increment pointer, how to compare the pointers, one pointer with other pointers. We'll discuss tomorrow, right? I will close tomorrow. Pointers, I start files, and we miss that pointers in arrays. How to pointers in structures. We'll discuss then. Tomorrow, after day after tomorrow, I will close this pointers. Tomorrow, then I will start that files Saturday or Sunday. So if it is possible, I will take the Sunday also class. Okay, students. How many of you joined? Okay, 28 only. Okay, good. I'll take the attendance. Please give the attendance.